Hi there, we're back for more fun, everyone. Today we are going to look at our short vowel sounds, and we're going to get really great at identifying the sounds we hear in words or parts of words. So we're going to start by just recalling the directions for this activity. I'm going to say the sound or the word. You are going to repeat the sound or the word, and then you are going to identify which vowel makes that sound. So let's start with the sound ah. Repeat that sound after me. Good. What vowel makes the ah sound? That's right. A says ah. Let's try the next one. The sound is ah. Repeat that sound. Good. O says ah. The next sound is the sound Repeat that sound. Good. Which vowel makes the sound That's right. U says The next sound is the sound I. Repeat that sound. Good. Now which vowel makes that sound? You're right. I says I. The next one is the sound eh. Repeat that sound. Very good. E says eh. How about the sound et? Repeat that sound. Et. Very good. E says eh in et. The next sound is id. Id. Repeat that sound. Which vowel would you select? That's right. I says I in id. Good job. The next sound is the sound os. Os. Repeat that sound. Good job. O says ah in os. The next sound is un. Un. Repeat that sound. Very good. U says in un. The next sound is al. Al. Repeat that sound. A says ah in al. Very good. Now we're going to repeat some words. Some of them are nonsense words and some of them are real words. So let's see what we have here. The first word is crass. Crass. Repeat that word. And what vowel sound do we hear? Very good. We hear ah. A says ah in crass. Nice work. The next word is stent. Stent. Repeat that word. Very good. E says eh in stent. The next word is wick. Wick. Repeat that sound. Very good. I says I in wick. The next word is broth. Broth. Repeat that word. O says ah in broth. Very good. And the last word is chul. Chul. Very good. U says in chul. Nice work today, friends. Good job.